Hi, I'm Barada padhy and I'm an incubation student opted for software testing. And like starting at the beginning of my learning period, it was good. Like here, like my counselor and my trainers, everyone are cooperative. Even though the HRs are very cooperative to the like what all. Placements and what all the requirements are we are getting. They are informing in every classes like we should get a knowledge on the requirements and companies and the packages and what package they come with and what companies they come with and what are the opportunity. And the special thing is like here the grooming and the mock sessions. The mock sessions are going to help you, like it is very helpful to experience a interview thing, and the grooming sessions are like boost, or we can say something like it is very helpful during interview. And the whole thing is very good. The whole experience is very good. And if someone wants to learn and like really learn and want a job, it is a very good thing. Like I have experienced everything and it is very good and all are very cooperative. Thank you.